The opposition insists it's strange the Chief Minister should say he's aware of evidence of potential criminality, but that the current Commissioner of Police, Mr. Ullger, says he has not seen that evidence. It adds it's doubly strange that Fabian Picardo, who's a core figure in the events of May and June 2020, should be the recipient of that information and not the Commissioner of Police. It states what Mr. Picardo's press release on the whistleblowers law conveniently leaves out is that in the case of police officers, a qualifying disclosure should primarily be made to the Commissioner of Police, and that in the case of criminal wrongdoing, the appropriate investigative authority is the police. The GSD also questions the chronology, saying it's unclear when this evidence was provided and whether it came before or after other jobs in the public service were given to some of the individuals involved. It adds if these are historical allegations, it's equally legitimate to ask who is benefiting from these allegations being thrown about now. The leader of the opposition, Keith Asopardi, says the constant question that remains is how allegations of unrelated issues that are not about what happened in May and June 2020 between Mr. Picardo and Mr. McGrail are actually relevant to the public inquiry, or whether they're being deployed as diversionary tactics. Those questions, he says, are matters for the inquiry chairman, who should assess all allegations. Beyond that, he adds, if there's any evidence of potential criminal wrongdoing or misconduct in office, this should also be investigated by the police in the normal way. And, as necessary, the remit of the current independent investigation should be extended by the governor to cover those issues.